In this video, I will show you how to convert a JPEG file into a PDF. Now, to get started, what you want to do is locate the file on your computer or laptop. So what I'm going to do is use this example JPEG file here. You can see that if I right click onto this, and what I'm going to do is just click onto properties, you can see this is a JPEG file. Now, there is a really easy way to convert this into a PDF without using any websites or software. So what you want to do is actually right click onto your JPEG file, and from this menu that comes up, you want to look for the option called print. If you don't see it in the initial menu, come down to the bottom and click onto show more options, and you should then see the print option here. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is open a window like this. From here, what you can do is choose your layout, paper size and quality, and then what you want to do is come up to the printer box, click onto the drop down box from here and select Microsoft Print to PDF. Once you've done that, come and click onto print at the bottom, and what that's going to do is open a window like this where you can choose where you want to save this on your computer or laptop. So I'm just going to call this test 1, and I'm going to select my desktop. As you can see, it says save as type PDF, and then all you need to do is click on to save. Just give it a minute to run through. As you can see, if we double click, this is going to open up our JPEG image as a PDF. So that is how to convert JPEG into PDF. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more simple Windows and tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.